How to transfer files from iPhone to PC with a USB cable. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer files from iPhone to PC with a USB cable. Start by ensuring that you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your computer. Now connect your iPhone to your PC using a Lightning to USB cable. After that, open iTunes on your Windows device and go to the top left corner, where you will see the Device tab. Click on it, then select File Sharing. Next, choose the apps from which you want to transfer files. iTunes will display the available files within those apps. After selecting the files, click on Save To and choose a location on your PC. Now, the transfer process will begin, and once it's done, you can access the files on your computer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.